and welcome back to part 4, I believe, to our Turkish march that I'm gonna go right now. Welcome back, or if you're new, welcome as well. I am Liana with Music Academy International Inc. Please do check in the description below part 1 and 2 and 3, and do watch it before you watch here, because I'm gonna refer to those. So yes, so do watch those. If you are new again, check our playlist. We having over 150 videos with tutorials and technique series, and especially for fingers, that is necessarily in Mozart. A lot of Hanon exercises over there. So again, thank you for being here, and let's get started. So today we're gonna do this part. Because you have this broken octaves. So as I said before, this is gonna be a short video though, because it's mostly about you practicing. Again, every octave you will do it, you need a really relaxed wrist. If you are blocked here, you won't be able. That's not gonna work. You're never gonna have speed, and considering that even if you play this slow, you're still gonna play here. You still need to achieve this speed. So what I would suggest here, after you practice that, part 2, I believe. Part 2, yes, I think it's part 2. In this part, I will suggest you to, again, very loose, very relaxed, to kind of work your wrist like that, you know, because it's bouncing in between 1 and 5. So you gotta be really loose and accentuate number 1. Take 2 or 3 notes at a time, like first 3. Extremely loose wrist. I cannot say more than a really loose. Do press number 1 pretty much on this side, so definitely not here. Don't be low here. It's not going to work. So you gotta be high over here and press with this side, this part of the thumb, almost on the nail. So take two notes. actually technique cannot be taught. You gotta find it and feel it on your own hand. I'm giving you tips how to do it. So that's why I'm doing a couple of times for you with the camera on the top to see it, and then from a side as well. I'm trying to show exactly the move to copy me and to be easy for you to practice. This needs to be practiced for a while. It's not coming if you never did it. It's not coming in a day or a week. Maybe it's coming in 2 weeks. You know, on the same time, I would suggest you to just do like a scale, C major. You know, or an E major that would have 4 sharps. My suggestion right now, when you put it both hands together. Again, it's a little tricky because of this part, right? So I do start on this. The left hand done on this arpeggiato on the left hand. So you're supposed to have it really good, like I told you, with an accent on the thumb. You know, take it from the top like that. You know, with the you put the accent. You keep number 1 pretty high, and your entire wrist is high, and both hands are pretty high. That's all I can say for this short tutorial, because in the next one we're gonna go to the, I think it's number 5, okay, part 5, in which we're gonna cover the entire coda. That is practically an entire page, so that one, it will be a little bit longer. But meanwhile, thank you so much for watching. So please check all the others links in the descriptions below. Check our other tutorials, and see you in the next one.